Okay guys, here's my sexy new seat. Came out pretty good. I'm happy with it. You can see the design. It's kind of, I copied seat concepts. You can see a couple little divots where I could file those out a little more, but I'm putting one more thin layer over it, so I'm not worried about it. But I tapered it in tighter here because I could feel this biting in my legs a little bit. And then this is kind of where your legs can hold on when you stand up as it gets wider, like a seat concepts. I just feathered this down a hair more. I got a hair of a divot there, and I actually glued a little patch in there. But you can see I rounded it all round. And, you know, the sides you won't see because the vinyl will stretch all the way over this lip. These are my shoulders for the width. And the vinyl will bridge all of that. This little lip, it telegraphs through mildly, but again, I'm putting one more thin layer of foam on there. The 1/16 of an inch or eighth of an inch. And it's real comfortable. You can see the shape. It's pretty uniform. And nice and soft. So that's my copy of the theory of a seat concepts, even though I didn't really study the shape that much. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'll let you guys know how it looks once it's covered. Like I said, I had to order a new cover. My original one does not fit anymore. Doesn't even come close because I cut so much extra meat on here. But it was a cheap, like $26 one. I'll put a link down below once I get that on there. And it's got those little like grippy humps, which I'm not a fan of, but hopefully it's decent, and I'll install that and we should be fine. All right, I'll let you guys see it once it's done. Again, looks, once we got it covered in black, it should look pretty factory-ish. We'll go from there. All right, appreciate any likes and subscribes. Down below will be links to some of the things I use. Take care. It's definitely not for the, mild at heart. It is an advanced shaping thing. This is all rasping, as I mentioned, and multiple types of foam. I suppose if I were to have bought one chunk of foam, it may have been easier than screwing around with multiple layers. I've glued all these scraps together. I was trying to keep my budget as low as possible, but so like right now, I think we're at $60 roughly. Talk to you guys later. Take care.